update on the final car. See, I've fixed the stabilization. Here we are. Looking alright. Looking good. We have Stan Lake on the 30th. Winter Open. Working or get worked, we'll see. Usually it's get worked, but you never know. So just came down here, do a little few bits, but my phone died and I don't want to be here down on my own with no phone. You know. Maybe see you later. Big progress today. Door plate going on. Hang on, let me change the camera settings. Oh, no, can't use that. The door's gonna open.
You will hold the door shut with your ass and then
Fucking didn't need that anyway.
hold it shut. Lift this up.
Right, let's model it over towards the door. Right, now.
I'm gonna strap this up.
Hey, yo, Watson, turn it up.
Car. So you saw we done quite a lot yesterday. Getting all the door welded up. Corner plates on. We got Pup here. Dad's looking very technical with his
Working again.
working. He's working again.
Patch up this split. I got the wrong gloves on.
We had a whoopsie. What dog? Stop it. If it will focus. Cracked screen protector. That's the first one. In the bin it goes. So once this welding is done, we'll go on to spraying the inside, plating and strapping up the passenger side, and then that's going to be it for the day. We don't want to do a super long thing. I don't know what this dog's doing. But hey ho.
Good enough.
There. Right there. Very good. Ah, what you got? What you got? What you got? Is that it? Right, the fact you're missing the like massive bit and you don't see it, yeah. I want you
Behind
to
the
see
road,
it. No,
that goes behind the water tank.
And this side behind it.
You were supposed to take that off.
One bit. That. Ah. Oh, what's that? What did I just kick? Yeah, I don't even know anymore. I'm losing my mind. Perfect like that.
Hey. Eyeballing me.
It's been a while. Probably about 4 months. We're back.
Right, while you're chatting, hold that up. No, not that up. Hold the pallet up.
Oh.
Drop it. Hold on, we've got to make sure we got it right. Fine. Can always adjust it. You keep talking then.
Well,
It's been a while. Yeah.
today is the 7th of March. We have 29 days until the next meeting.
Right. So that will be.
Yes, I may be sat in a fresh build, but old man wants me to race that one more time.
Yes. One more time. Right. Noise.
But I would rather race this one.
More
He,
noise.
he doesn't agree, but I would much rather race this. Ow.
We're not. One more race. It's got one more race in it.
I'll do one more race in it if you weld it up.
Well, which bit?
The hanging front end.
Well,
Let me show you this front end. It is mangled. There's holes in the struts. This side's okay. This side's pretty straight. But yeah, I'd much rather race this one. Hopefully silver stripes going on today. And then once silver stripes are on,
yay, that'd be nice just there.
she's looking cool. It'd be nice if you had the window net on the right way around though. Are these safety stickers supposed?
It is the right way around, isn't it? You're supposed to have a date on the outside.
I have no clue. Just run it that way. Tis will do. But
Does it really matter?
no. We're gonna wait until
I
either.
thought I said back.
Yeah, to be fair.
Right.
And until he's welding this or we're painting this. The road car has been sat here. Not much going on with that, to be fair.
Not so clean no more.
Not so clean. Other than that, workshops remain the same. This car here, I think, is getting sold. Don't know about that one. Yeah. Oh, we'll see.
That car?
Yeah. It's getting sold.
Hey?
Maybe.
I don't know, it's always...
We'll catch up when something interesting's happening. Oh, we are all striped up. Fully striped up, everywhere all masked. Well, we're saying striped up. We're not striped up yet. We're masked. We'll ignore how filthy and everything is on the inside. That will be getting sorted.
Just to find somewhere to hang it properly. Oh.
Yeah, I just got the badges on, the chrome. She's looking cool, but I'm not looking forward to.
You're gonna put this grill on, won't we?
What do you think? That's upside down.
No.
Would be cool. Anyway, let's get this paint off.
Yeah.
Not that. That's. That's too clean.
No, just hold this down.
Little bits of contamination, but she's coming out okay. Silver looks really good. Oh, I'm seeing overspray on the boot. Let me go grab some thinners. What are you doing? I guess I'll explain. I was just doing my window net. As you know, on the bangers, in a hole in here, just put it all the way here to a little seat back plant so I can easily get in and out in case of emergencies. Isn't that right? Doing that so it makes it easier to get out of an emergency.
Feel safer, don't wobble around so much, it's nice and tight.
Indeed. Sit.
Don't bugger up your...
Sit. Sit down. Whoa. Oh. Right. After Bank Holiday Monday.
End of a car.
End of a car.
Finally. We were weighing up the chances of pulling it, but we got another one built, so what's the point? Chassis bent. We're right up to the axle. Up to the front suspension, shock absorber mounts are gone.
She's all gone.
It is all gone. Chassis bent, right back. Shafts.
in all fairness.
Drive shafts push the chassis back this side.
Yeah.
You can have a look. When you had that altercation, that's all been pushed back. And we've put an arm in, but we've just pulled this just to see how easy it is to dismantle. But the chassis up here is gone, completely gone. It's split up there, split through. Everything's gone. This is bent out. This is supposed to be straight.
But hey, all we can say is
Crumpled up there. Even if you look inside, if you can see with the, I'll get a wheel out. The wheels we took. Didn't get one puncture. Don't know if anybody can see, but it's hard to see from. Maybe there's very little gap. The whole front up is bent. Woohoo! Driver's tub is bent. So, she still sings though, don't she?
oh, she sings. But we're on to this now. It's gorgeous.
And it's a dragger, not a driver, isn't it? It's a dragger, not a driver.
Roll on the next meeting.
Just put those back on.
Well, like I said in that last clip, when we were down here a few days ago, the car is scrapped, but there's just one question to be answered, and that's what are we going to do with the engine?
Refresh, we've got another one. Did we retire this one? It's done how many meetings? 20 or 20?
Oh god, oh, it's done like 2.5 years.
And it started to go, it started to sing, so I'm guessing it started to sing, but it's so loose it's going to go bang. Bang.
Well,
We'll see.
it's just
Don't need it yet, do we?
just getting all the bits and bobs. Oh god, bits and bobs out, one at a time. In the pile on the floor. Let's see what else I can get out. Oh, I can't reach anything. That's embarrassing. Steering rack. As I'm trying to get the ECU out, just putting that so I can hear that running again. Ow, fingers. Can't grab anything else. Ow. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. I'll catch up when all this is stripped, ECU is out, we're putting it in that car. Cracked on.
Yeah, I'm in the wrong order.
But have dog assistance. Very much.
Everything comes apart really easy when you're
When it's all not...
prep it.
Was it?
Everything comes apart easy when you've prepped it. Keep it greased, keep it oiled. Last thing you want to do is have stuck nuts.
Well, and 90% of it was loose anyway.
Oh,
Wasn't
bollocks. You've got to lift the engine up to now to get that shaft out.
it? For fuck's sake.
Give me the bar.
Which one?
The big one.
Oh, I can't. Actually, I can lift it up. It's just
This side. Because all you'll do is twist the engine up.
Put where you need it in.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh my days.
Well, the engine's out. Wasn't meant to come out like that.
I got that on video. So this is why you don't drop the entire engine out.
Got a 13, do the...
You know, that's just made everything about 20 times harder.
Wasn't supposed to do that, were we?
No. Oh, don't say you damaged my pulley.
No, don't touch it.
Oh my
I
god.
have turned the fuel off, or did I turn it back on?
It does smell fuely.
Yeah, because it's all leaking out there.
And then we've got a light. What do you need? 13. Whoop. Big bang on cast.
What is it? Oh, that's return, isn't it?
Is it just been pissing Oh no. No, no. Oh shit.
Something in it.
I don't have a lot. It's pissing. Have you not closed it off?
Yeah, that's the return, I think.
Go get like a can or something.
Hang on.
The can's next to you. And the red can is right next to you on the floor.
Stick this bolt in there.
No, but we've got to drain the fuel out at some point. You might as well put it back into the thing.
Whoopsie. Have you got the start motor wire off yet?
Does it look like it?
We've done this.
The earth is on the gearbox. Start motor wires are still on there.
Well, if you were...
Clutch cable is like...
I took the clutch cable off.
No, you haven't.
I did the cable, I didn't take the cable, the bolt.
Yeah, and that's the only thing that's holding this engine up right now. Don't undo it. It's the only thing that's holding the engine is the clutch cable.
Well, this petrol's clean.
What are you gonna? What's your plan? What is your thought process to get us out of this situation?
Well,
there isn't one, is there?
no.
I thought there isn't one.
And what you're doing is filming me making a right fluff of everything.
Yeah, because it's usually I'm the one that's making all the mistakes, but now it's you.
Okay. Right.
So what?
Get that starter motor off.
How?
Get it from here.
From where? Can you?
Yeah, that's fine. My knees are hurting.
But you were there for.
What?
You were there for like 20 seconds and your knees hurting. But
Yeah, it's all concrete.
Fiesta to be raced. Who knows? That cage and door plate will be going on now. It's back to base built. Pardon me. Obviously my road car. That's that. Needs MOT. That one's now running and driving. It now runs. And obviously this is yeah, well, whatever predicament you'd call this. But when we're getting like the door plate off or something like that, I'll just press record. So a little bit more hectic than it should be, but we survived getting the engine out. Door plate?
Yeah, that is a door plate, yeah.
You want to take it off?
Congratulations,
Do you
know
wanna
what
take
a
it
gold
off?
plate looks like.
Do you want to take it off?
Don't want to take it off. Well, I'm
Well,
not
we use
scrapping
it.
it with it on. Yeah.
Okay.
He's actually doing work for a change, rather than just watching me.
Two things. I got that car running and sorted that out, and you. You're the one who fucked up with the engine, which took time as well.
Bent right back past the spider struts. Obviously split right open as well. Gone so far back. Time to refresh.
It's been refreshed.
It's been refreshed, yeah.
But be in the Fiesta now, won't it?
Yeah.
Kit will be in the Fiesta. Who's gonna race it though?
Don't know yet.
Mr. G.
Oh, it's gone off. Has it gone off?
No.
Oh, the backlight's gone off.
Screen goes off.
Screen goes off. Can't see what I'm filming. Where's the other one like this?
Door plate is out. One's in a car, and it's fine. One's on my road car, and it's fine.
And one's in the Fiesta?
Yeah.
Is that?
So, only thing to get out now is the cage, which will hopefully just be going again. As I mentioned, straight in the Fiesta, but like I said, I promise you lot, we'd be back with the episodes. And we are, so I think I said, so yeah, today's Saturday, 11th of April. It'll probably be out the same day of the past about 5 months of stuff. I look back to see when the last time I started this episode. I started this episode October last year.
Oh, this one?
Anyway.
Yeah, well, you've been working. Clean that.
We'll catch you next time.
Peace.
DB out. I may have said the episode would be complete last weekend, but
Who are you talking to then?
we still got a little bit to do. Haven't we?
I mean, what? Eh?
I said the episode would be finished last time we were here, didn't we? But
Well, you
It's
stop
not
talking
finished.
like as if you know. I know you're talking to me when you're wandering around that bloody unit.
no, we have a special.
Love-hate relationship.
If I walk around here,
I think it'd be easier just to smash this one and then take a few bits off that.
we indeed. Right, say hello, Carrie.
Hello, Carrie.
Our
Where's the
our sign writer for this one.
smasheroo?
Wait.
Where'd you put the smasheroo?
The smasheroo, I put it back in the thing. Anyway,
Put
so
something back.
yeah, I'm trying to
That's a first. That is a first.
get a load of this guy. Anyway,
Put anything back. And when I want it, he's put it back.
here you go.
Thank you.
Give me a sec. Right. So guys, yes, my cousin's I'm riding my car. That's gone all over the floor, I bet. Anyway, my cousin is signing in a car. I thought, I'm gonna give her a shout out on air. Go check her Instagram and Facebook out. Raw Fire Photography. So that's RAWFIRE. Go check her out. She does amazing car photography. She used to do bookings. I'm not sure what she's like nowadays, but maybe give her a message, see what she's free for. And yeah, go check her out. Good artist and good photographer. But back to the cars. Let's go and see what he's done, shall we? How much went on the floor? How much went on the floor?
Hardly anything.
Let's go see what. Not a lot. Fair enough.
Oh, I thought you stripped it.
Who's stripping it while I was working?
A loose word working. Loose word.
Oh yeah. Again, get a load of
6
it.
hours a week and he thinks he's got a job.
6 hours a week, yeah?
Get us some glasses.
Yeah. Everyone's run about today. Everyone's run about. But yeah, car is scrap loaded. All the usual bollocks. Shield bent, shield cool, shield bent. No updates on this sort of.
All over your car.
I'll put a new knob in it. I need to buy a radio and wire in the cigarette lighter so I can put LED lights in it. And I need to take those mud flaps off because they're grey. And clean the thing. Again, you know what I'm going to say. Catch you in a bit when we're doing something interesting. Dad got busy with the Fiesta. If I jump down. Hey!
Portable light.
There you go, mate. So yeah, windshield, passenger windows, rear window, more passenger window. It's all out. And yes, guys, I still have the stop bumper on there, but that's because we can't be asked to get it off. But oh, mirror. How do you bolt in? Oh, you're sticking. Is there any way to plunk you up here? Yeah.
This is dry now, so I ain't gonna
When
lose
they
it.
go across the screen.
That'd be Barnes, and I'll do it with I'll put the tape on. But I'll do that on the bonnet last because then decide.
You have still high rise on the